Sunlight dances on the balcony as I wait for thee to come home. I fall for the words, yeah, my mind's a mess when you're in that dress. Glad you're home. Will you stay with me and never leave? You walked into my life and I am glad you came.
Good morning! Yan, fam. Okay, yes. So, malamig na araw ngayon. Malamig na araw today dito sa aming lugar. Medyo moist. I'm vlogging. Sto facendo vlog, daddy. Hatid ko si Noah at si Dylan sa bahay ng lola nila dahil Saturday today at ako ay may shooting. May shoot ako sa Treya today. So walang magbabantay sa mga bata. So doon muna sila sa lolo at lola today. And si Nancy nasa work na. Actually yung shoot ko collaboration yun with with content creators here sa lugar namin. So collab para sa exposure, no? Para exposure sa akin din. So siya, wala siyang bayad but it's an event, so make some videos and then exposure para sa akin, para sa business. So mamaya meron din kaming dinner with si Force. Let's go. Alright guys, ito na ako sa Treya. Hindi ko lang saan ako pupunta pero pakita ko sa inyo lugar dito. Wow, Treya. Okay, so it's time to work. My family. Yeah. May parking din sa baba. Guys, meron din may elevator ang pababa. Yan, kasi may parking sa baba. Yan yung mga city dito sa Italy. Mga matataas ang nasa tuktok ng bundok kaya may mga elevator. Ganda na.
She's gonna crush my heart. So lush, I'm loving lying in your arms. I fall apart, this crush is gonna crush my heart.
Okay guys, so tapos na yung shoot ko. At it's very relaxing yung event na yun guys. Alam niyo na, mga yoga, massage, and ikigai. It's good to know, it's very relaxing kahit nakikinig ka lang, no? Alright. Wow. So, uwi na ako. At may kami dinner with the family. And then no? Yan, so dadaan pa ako ng supermarket. Kasi may pinapabil si Nancy. Dito, box niya for the cake. Tomorrow kasi may nagpa-bake sa kanya. May nagpagawa sa kanya ng cake and kailangan ng box for tomorrow. I-deliver ko siya tomorrow morning. Sobrang lamig at nakakapagod kasi pataas yung dinaanan ko. Alright. Okay. Hey, Kumi. Ciao. Nabili natin, guys. Not finished yet. How long?
C'ho un problema.
Okay.
I get distracted very easily. Quindi always
Cell phone.
No.
Too much cell phone.
No, I start doing other things.
Bravo.
Che brava, che brava. Mamma mia.
You have HDHD. HDHD.
I think everybody has.
Why you are like this?
Non lo so.
So, yan po. Ito na ako sa bahay. As you can see. At, it's really nice. It's very relaxing. I told Julia, no? Next time, I will do also the tratamento. Because she said, you, Nancy, you'll go into my house and I'll do tratamento to you and Nancy. And the kids will play.
Wow.
This is what she said. So probably she will invite us. Nag-collaboration ako with the girl, content creator, nang nag-deliver ng kasabay ni Dylan. So they have the same age.
Her daughter. Second, it was
yeah.
Like 1 day difference.
Yeah. So Dylan, actually, they are in the same room nung pinanganak si Dylan.
The first time I went to the hospital, she already delivered and she was in the room.
Yeah.
And they were doing the monitoring to me.
Monitoring.
She told me for the first time, you have pain? Yes.
The same day?
No,
You delivered
okay.
the same day?
No, she delivered before.
Before, yeah.
Yes, I have a bit of pain. And then they sent me home, but she already delivered.
Yeah.
And then we saw each other again in the day after.
Okay. This I
because I
didn't
delivered
know.
in the night and in the morning we were in the same room.
And then, yung asawa niya, nagtrabaho rin pinagtrabahuan ko before sa GSCG. Ang one thing that I will not forget is, since malamig noon nung nilabas namin si Dylan, we don't have blanket for Dylan.
It
was raining. So, tapos binigyan niya kami ng blanket, the blue blanket. No? Yeah. So, it's really nice.
And we use also for Noah.
Yeah, and we use also for Noah. It's very memorable blanket that we have. Sa carnival. After ng dinner namin kagabi, hindi na kami nakapag-vlog. So, ngayon na yung namin. Ngayon yung continuation ng vlog. So, kita nyo naman, we have the Spider-Man here, no? Spider-Man! Yeah! Tsaka ang ating little lion. Little lion.
I'm the mother of
the mother. The mother of Spider-Man. Is that? Okay. So, carnival season ngayon dito sa Italy. We're not ready. Next year, magdadamit kami ni Nancy Darna. Ni Captain America. Yeah, let's go. Darna.
Marvel.
Yeah, like Marvel. Like Miss Marvel, but Darna. Filipino edition. Okay, let's go. Daming tao. Yung parking. Punong-puno. Parking. Kisay. Dopo non si vede. Quanto si... Needs to give some candy at least. No, actually, I don't need the costume. I'm the beast. You're the beauty.
Come va? State sotto lui, vero? Sì. Qualche volta a settembre facevano le passeggiate, passavano
Saluta la
davanti ai
maestra.
maestri.
Il maestra.
Salutavamo.
E
non ti ricordi?
Saluta.
Oh, slow living can be life-giving, although we might disagree. If most our lives are lived in black and white, it
Yan,
makes the gray.
ako sa bahay. Sobrang lamig sa labas. Sobrang lamig sa labas. Kaya yung buhok ko magulo kasi nag-bonnet ako. Lamig sa labas. Nag-enjoy naman sila mga bata. Nag-enjoy naman sa carnival. Tapos yung nakita nyo na naglinis ng confetti. Lagi ganyan pag carnival dito, ganun, may bitbit ka talaga confetti sa katawan mo kasi, di ba? Tapon dito, tapon doon ng confetti, suksok sa damit. Makulit, malikot na itong bata na to. Guys, kakain na kami ng dinner. May prepare na kami ng dinner. And end the vlog here, and then let's start another one tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. Good night, and ciao 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 ciao. Ciao ciao. Ciao ciao. Ciao ciao. Ciao ciao. Giga. Giga. Ciao ciao.
Buying liquor on a Sunday across the county line.